Unfortunately, there is no official NECode software available for CLIE Handheld PDA. NECode is a proprietary software development environment specifically designed for NEC mobile devices. While there is no official NECode software for CLIEs, there are alternative methods to execute code on these devices. One alternative is Python. Some versions of CLIE operating systems support Python scripting, allowing users to write and run Python scripts. Another alternative is PocketC. PocketC is a commercial tool that allows developers to create C programs for CLIEs. You can also consider emulation. You can use emulators like VirtualPC to run Windows applications on your CLIE, which opens up the possibility of running various programming environments. Emulation and alternative methods may have challenges and limitations. One limitation is performance. Emulation can lead to reduced performance and slower execution of code. Another limitation is device compatibility. Not all CLIE models may be compatible with all software options. Limited resources are another challenge. CLIEs have limited storage and processing power, which can impact the complexity and size of programs that can be executed. While there is no official NECode software for CLIE Handheld PDA, alternative methods such as Python scripting, PocketC, and emulation can provide limited code execution capabilities on these devices. However, it's important to note that these alternatives may have limitations and require technical expertise to use effectively.